I actually started a Robinhood account a week ago, and here are my results being a complete beginner to this market. What is going on, guys? Sebastian here today. If you guys are not familiar with what Robinhood is, it's basically an app where you can buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies. Not all of the cryptocurrencies around, but a ton of them, as well as all of the stocks, from penny stocks to bigger stocks. I'm not really too familiar in this market, so that's why I want to, preface this video and make sure you guys understand. I'm pretty much a beginner with stock trading and stuff like that, but I have been able to kind of catch a few trends and stuff and start to understand the market, and here have been my results. So basically, I'll throw screenshots up right here. Basically, I actually started with $100 in my account. I just put it in there just because I wanted to start trying it out, because I don't want to trade with a lot of capital, because if you do and you end up losing a lot of money, it's gonna actually take a big emotional toll on your head, on yourself, your personal self. So I just threw in $100. It was something I was like, okay, I'm just signing that money away. It's gone. I'm just, assuming I'm never gonna get it back. And that's how I have to think with all of my businesses. I have to kind of be content with that. And so I was fine with that. So put in $100 and we'll move on from there. So next, what I started to do was I started to look at trends for cryptocurrencies, kind of look at resistances. I'm editing the video right now, and I googled resistance to make sure I'm saying this right. This just goes to show I'm literally not that skilled with trading. I'm actually talking about the, I don't even know what it's called, the support, not resistance. Resistance is the top of the line, like that's what a stock goes to, and then when it dips down, and then support is actually the bottom line. So when I say resistance, I'm talking about support. Actually, sorry again, guys, I'm not too familiar with trading. Like, I just started this with this week, so don't roast me, but yeah, I'm talking about support. So yeah, move on to the video. If you guys aren't familiar, it's pretty easy to learn like basic terms. So resistance is basically the common, I believe it's the common price that a stock normally hits at and then it bounces. So that's kind of the basic terminology. That's what happens is stocks normally have built up resistance at a certain amount or a certain price where when they hit, then the price bounces back up, and it commonly does that at a certain amount of, or at a certain price. So I was catching a trend on, I wasn't actually, if you guys are familiar, Robinhood, if you don't have $25,000, I believe, in your account, you actually can only make 3 trades a week, or 3 or 4 trades a week, which kind of sucks because if you want to be a day trader and you don't have that amount of money to invest, I don't even want to put in $25,000. Like, I don't, that's a lot of capital to put into trading. Obviously, if I'm more skilled, I would be able to and would be fine with it, but right now I'm still a beginner. But if you guys have a small amount, this is what I suggest you do. So as you guys know, you can add cryptocurrencies. Basically, I went on the cryptocurrency market. As you guys can see, I'll post this screenshot right here. I basically went on and I looked for kind of all the coins that are very popular. So I added them all onto my dashboard, and then I started looking at them and trying to understand why they're going up and why they're going down. And it was kind of really evident, like a lot of them followed Bitcoin. They just kind of made bigger jumps. So if Bitcoin went up 1%, some coins would go up 5% or 10%. So I caught onto that very soon, and I kind of looked for low priced coins to have massive potential, because Bitcoin is kind of hard to push up $2,000. I mean, it's possible, but it's just one of those things where mathematically it's harder to grow that much because it is already a kind of well-seasoned coin. It's not a brand new, it's not a new one, but it's not a, well, it is the oldest one, I believe, but I'm not going to get into too much of that. So I started to realize trends. I started to understand why coins were going up and down. From then, I started to kind of play it like in my head real quick before I actually bought any coins. So it's somewhat paper trading, but I just did it in my head. So I wrote it down. I would say, okay, I'm going to buy 100 coins at, this price, at $10. Right now, that's what the market says it's at, okay? So I would do that, and then I would say, and then I'm going to sell at this point. And then I would actually track it and see, like, okay, if I were to do this trade, would it have worked? Like, would I have made money or lost money? And I did that for like 2 days, and I did it consistently, because with cryptocurrencies, it's a 24/7 market. It doesn't go, they don't stop. There's not a market open and close. If you guys are not familiar, stocks have a market open and close, and it's weekdays only. So there always is a market open and close, and they're not open on the weekends. So the market isn't open on the weekends, so you can't trade on the weekends. So with cryptocurrency, it's 24/7 market. You can constantly trade. So I was doing this heavily for a few days, and then after I kind of got the hang of it, I saw, okay, I'm actually getting decently good at it, and so I started investing, and I ended up gaining this much in a matter of let's see, in 1 week, I was able to grow my account 15%. And now people can say that's luck and stuff. I don't believe it was. I mean, I did have one bad trade. So basically, I traded one coin called Dogecoin. I believe that's how you, or Dogcoin, Dogecoin. If you guys know what it is, it's actually doing substantially well right now. So basically, I had, or actually I was at $106 because I had a free coin from my overall portfolio, because when you sign up, I'll leave a link in the description. I think you'll actually get a free coin when you use my link, and then I'll actually get a free, or not a free coin, a free stock. So if you want to do that, you'll get a free stock that's worth like $5 or $6. So it's literally free money. Why would you not? But yeah, so I invested into Dogecoin. My first trade, I gained, what did I gain? I gained 1.5 or 1.3%, okay? And then my second trade, I actually gained a total of, that was actually a really good trade. I gained a total of like 3%, okay? And then after that, or no, I gained a total of 2%, like 1.9%. It actually went up to my total market, or my total capital gain was at 6%, but I actually didn't sell fast enough. So now I'm at 3.2% overall account growth in a matter of 2 days, which is decent. I mean, that's an average growth of 1.6% every day, so that's not too bad. And then this is where it actually started to spike really well. So I noticed the Dogecoin went down very heavily, and I had seen like some resistance. And I'm not saying I set like tons of lines and stuff, like saying, okay, this is where I'm gonna estimate it. Like guys, I'm a complete beginner like you guys. I just had to, like, I just did a little analyzing, and I saw Dogecoin was really underpriced. It had dropped tremendously. I'll pull up when it was at this price. September 7th is when I bought in. Where is it? September 7th. It was at like 5 or 0.005 cents. And so I bought in and held it for a few days. And moving forward, I ended up coming out of that. Before I actually bought that, I was at 3.2% of my over account growth, and I held it for 3 days and ended up growing my account to 15% overall growth in the past. That's only been from September 5th to right now, so it's only been 5 days, and I've grown my account like that. Overall growth of 15% in 5 days. That's pretty decent. I mean, most traders aim for 2 to 3% every single day, so that's decently average for a week's worth of trading. So I'm super excited that I'm actually getting this down, and some of you guys could say it's luck. I don't believe it is. I'm actually starting to understand why these coins are going up and down. I just don't want to make more videos. I don't want to make many videos on this because I don't want to act like I'm some, seasoned trader who trades all the time, because I'm not at all. Like literally, I just started this week. So don't expect me to, like, don't hit me up and say, hey, what stocks should I invest in? I don't know. I only am studying, Dogecoin is one I'm really interested in right now, just because it fluctuates heavily. Like if, it goes up and down a lot. So if you can if you can buy in at the right time, it's very profitable, but you can actually lose a lot of money as well. So hope you guys did enjoy that. But yeah, so I invested $100 and I've turned it to, I think my account's at like 100 or it was at 106 including that free stock, and it's now at 126 or something. So pretty decent gains for not really like doing much work at all. I just kind of buy and then sell when it's time to sell and stuff like that. So that's kind of it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys are looking to actually start like trading with Robinhood, I would suggest putting away like $50 to $100 to where that's money, where that's not an insane amount of money. So if you lose it, it's fine. But then do what I said, like track, act like you're buying it. Like say, okay, I'm gonna buy at this point, and then I'm gonna sell at this point, okay? And then after that, see if you're actually like able to do that. And if you can consistently hit, if you're like going 3 for 1 or 4 for 1 with your trades, which basically you're getting 3 greens for 1 red, or stuff like that. And if you are doing reds, if you're cutting your losses very quickly, then you should be decent on this market. I mean, it's very simple to understand. You kind of just have to stay consistent with everything and start, you can't forget about it and then forget, oh, I was supposed to sell. I did have a time where I woke up and I was supposed to sell at 7:30 and I sold at 8 and I lost like 5%, which was huge. So that was kind of made me understand, like, okay, the market doesn't sleep. The cryptocurrency market does not actually sleep. So if you like have a specific time where you want to sell, you should, and you should stay on that and, you know, wake up earlier maybe. So that's just something I learned. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash the like button. Let me know down below if you guys actually trade cryptocurrencies or stocks, and how seasoned you guys are, like if you guys are really good traders, or if you guys are just starting out like me, because I'm literally a complete beginner for the most part. I mean, I did grow my account like 15%, so I wouldn't say I'm a complete beginner, like I'm now doing decent, but we'll see how this works out next week. Maybe I'll do like a weekly update just to see where I can go with $100 invested and see what I can take this to. I mean, definitely if I can continuously grow my account at around 15 to 20% every single week, that would be awesome, just because it's like, I don't even care about the money made. I just want to understand, like, I just want to learn the strategies that are needed to actually apply to grow your funds at such a high rate. Like if I can grow all of my funds at 15% every single week, that will be mad money. So hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, again, smash the like button and subscribe below. I post entrepreneurial videos as well as lifestyle videos. I actually will have a second channel, link in the description, because I don't know if you guys know this, but I have an E46 BMW M3. Here's a picture of it. I bought it with the intent to resell, but now that I have it, and I'm now making, like, I've been making a decent amount, but now I'm making money to the point where I don't need to like go and sell it and liquidate my assets right away. I'm actually going to start doing some pretty cool modifications to it. I'm starting with headers that are catless, which it's illegal in California, but I'm not really too worried about that. I just smogged the car, so I'll have 2 years to run without cats before I have to put them back on for inspection for smog. And then I'm going to be doing some other stuff, including like straight piping my full exhaust, which if you don't take the headers, the catless headers, if you don't put catless headers on your E46, it kind of sounds not that good. So yeah, putting headers on, straight piping, tuning it to taking off the governor so I can hit 173, I believe, if I would like to, 173 miles an hour. Just a ton of other stuff, so that's gonna be sweet. And then I don't really know what else I'm gonna probably do from there. I guess we'll see about that. Maybe wide body kit, maybe I have to do rear diffusers and front diffusers, and then I don't really know. We'll go from there. I do wanna get a CSL trunk, if you guys know what that is. It basically has a little lip on the end. But yeah, that's just cars talk. I'm gonna make a video on that channel as well, maybe today, like introducing the build in my car and everything like that. So if you wanna see that, I'll leave a link in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.